back on the road. Oh, police officers after somebody there. Well, we're heading out to Thunder Harley. Harley. Father-in-law thought that he would have the little picnics up there because I mean, like I said, he owns a Harley, and he's definitely a customer of theirs. And he said, "Hey Mike, why don't you come up with me?" I said, "Why not?" But here, there wasn't a picnic going on today. He went up on the internet and nothing was posted. But I sat down and BS'd with him for a while. Gotta charge up my remote for the camera. It's not charged up. I noticed before I put the camera on, because I mean it was kind of dark whenever I was in the garage. I didn't even really look at the camera. I'm gonna have to take the helmet in and basically give the camera a good cleaning, the camera case. That way it's not so yucky, bug covered and nasty. Probably grass clippings and everything else covered. Time to clean it, which I do try to remember to clean it off and on, but this is pretty thick craps on her. But yeah, that's what weekdays consist of so far. Figured we'll get it out and do some riding. Not much, can't go too far because of the wife. Allergies are kicking me in a hiney. So I hate allergies. Look at that. Pretty cool bus. But yeah, today's actually a beautiful day. Kind of wish I could get out on a longer ride. Just enjoy the day. Don't ride much down in here very much anymore. Got a game going on there. Looked like it anyway. Practice. Should be doing that myself, cutting grass. Kind of uneventful. I'm actually tired. 5 about 5.5 hours at the ER last night. Really did me in. So you know what, I'm going to turn here. Did notice one thing though. I'm going to bring this up while I'm right now here. I'm not really saying much. I was watching Del Boy's Garage. It's Moonfleet 41. He mentioned about probably not seeing carbureted motorcycles, and I beg to differ. Yeah, it's pretty much the thing of the past, and but it's not done. There is carbureted motorcycles out there. I'm on one of them, and this is not that old. And the new KLRs are not going to be fuel injected unless they do it really soon. And I mean, that's just a little bit of information there, but I mean, most people that own a KLR 650 do know that. And it's one of the downfalls about the KLR is it's being carbureted. Just a little side note there. Head on down through here, take a back alley, and head back to my house. I think this will be it. I'll like to talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Be safe out there riding, guys.